Good day everyone. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the topic managing the market function, and the objectives for this lesson is to define what is the marketing concept, the engineer and the four P's of marketing, the product, the price, the place, and the promotion, and as well as the strategic marketing for engineers like selecting the target market and developing a marketing mix. For the introduction, engineer managers don't just deal with machines and or numbers. They handle both tangible goods like products and intangible assets like services or systems. Pag na-promote sila, hindi lang production ang hawak nila, pati marketing, which means they must understand how to sell the value of what they create. Marketing is not optional, it's essential. Kahit gaano kakaganda ang produkto mo, kung walang bumibili, wala ring kita. Kaya sa business, hindi sapat ang magaling ka lang engineer. Dapat marunong ka ring magbenta. Sa madaling salita, a good engineer builds but a great engineer manager builds and sells. So, what is marketing concept? First, we have to define what is marketing. Marketing is a set of activities that helps sell goods or services. Pero hindi lang ito tungkol sa pagbebenta. It's about understanding and satisfying customer needs. Ang focus ng marketing ay hindi lang kita, kundi customer satisfaction. Lahat ng actions from research to promotion are coordinated to make sure that the client is satisfied. This means happy clients bring repeat business. They are the true capital of every company. Kaya sa marketing, hindi lang produkto ang binibenta, kundi tiwala. The four P's of marketing. Engineers, especially managers, must use the four P's to meet the client's needs, like the product, the price, the place, and as well as the promotion. The product. The product can either be tangible, such as construction materials, machinery, or hardware, or on the other hand, intangible products like software, design systems, or engineering consultancy. In, en- in engineering, for example, a construction material like high-quality cement or steel services is a tangible need, while an engineering design addresses intangible client requirements. The true value of any product lies in its ability to meet customers' needs effectively. A product is only successful when it provides a practical solution to the challenges faced by its users. In engineering, every product must deliver both function and satisfaction. Next is price. The price is the value exchanged for a product or service. This can include money, but also other considerations like time, effort, or resources. In engineering, for example, the price of a construction service may not be in cash. It could also include the time spent on construction or project management. At the end of the day, the price reflects the perceived value of what's being offered. A high-quality product or service should align with the price that justifies its worth and the benefits it delivers. In business, the price should always match the value of being provided. Next is the place. The place or distribution refers to the accessibility of a product or service. It's crucial to know where your customers are and how to make your product available to them. Sa engineering, for example, construction materials must be easily accessible in various locations, while engineering services need to be reachable through the right channels. To improve access, businesses often use methods such as sales agents. They are the direct interaction with customers. Dealers, they are the intermediaries that distribute products. And branches, physical stores or offices in key locations. And franchising or franchises, this is the expanding access through partnerships. We all know that effective distribution ensures that your product reaches the right customer at the right time. And last, the promotion. Promotion refers to the activities aimed at influencing buyer behavior and attitudes towards your product or service. The goal is to create awareness, generate interest, and ultimately encourage purchase. In engineering, for example, promoting a new technology or service may require specific strategies to attract potential clients and build trust in the product's value. Some common promotion tools include advertising. This is reaching large audience through like TV, online, or print. Publicity. It is gaining public attention through media coverage or press releases. 3. Personal selling, or this is direct communication with the customers to address their needs. And sales promotion, which is a limited time offers that includes discounts or incentives to drive immediate sales. Promotion is about making your customers feel confident and excited to buy.
Strategic marketing. So dito, it helps companies serve the best markets. It has two major steps. One is selecting a target market. Two, developing a marketing mix. Strategic marketing, this is where things get a bit more advanced. Ang goal dito is to find the best market to serve. It's not just about selling to everyone, it's about selling to the right people. Yung may need and may kaya to buy. So same thing with marketing. Para kang sniper and not a shotgun. Kasi nga, sa sniper, it takes careful aim, di ba? And meron siyang specific target. Super precise and one shot, no? Sa shotgun naman, on the other hand, it spreads out its pellets in many directions. So it hopes na merong na it hits something, di ba? So we need to know the market and then tailor our marketing accordingly. So with this strategy, we maximize our resources, time, and effort. By focusing on the right segment, we improve our chances of success, lower our risks, and build stronger customer relationship in the long run. Next, selecting a target market. So to maximize sales and profits, a company has the option of serving entirely the portion of its chosen market. So it has three steps. Segment the market. Two, assess profit potential. And lastly, choose segments to serve. So it has two factors, no? Market size and number of competitors. So paano nga ba pipili ng target market? So una, segment the market, di ba? So divide them into two groups based on their needs, budget, and location or even behavior. Then you check which groups have the best potential. May pera ba sila? Marami ba sila? Gaano sila kainteresado sa product, no? So, tapos saka ka pipili kung sino ang i-focus mo. Strategic siya kasi ayaw natin magsayang ng resources sa market na hindi naman bibilhin yung product, 'di ba? Kung baga quality over quantity. We also have to consider the size of the market, the number of competitors, and how strong our position can be in that segment. It's like choosing the most efficient path. Mas madali, mas sulit. Next, developing a marketing mix. So dito, it involves manipulating the four P's and adjustments made based on environment and goals. So meron din ditong example, better quality, lower price, more aggressive promotion, and expanded distribution. So after choosing the market, you develop your marketing mix. Dito na papasok ulit yung 4 P's, yung product, price, place, and promotion. Pero this time, ina-adjust mo sila para swak na swak sa target mo. So halimbawa, kung student market ang target mo, Babaan mo yung yung price, gawing more accessible at mas aggressive yung promo. Ang goal is to create a perfect balance of the four P's that matches the market's needs, wants, and behavior. So it's like customizing a product package para sa isang tao para mas maging attractive at fit sa kanya. Engineers can use data and feedback to optimize this mix continuously. Pero remember the market changes, no? So we always need to adapt. Summary. So continuous income. So dito yung pinakabuod, no? So continuous income, vital for survival, no? So continuous income is super important kasi without it, a business can't survive. 'Di ba? Kasi walang kita, walang operasyon, 'di ba? So that's where marketing comes in. Helps engineers, managers attract and retain customers. So it helps engineer managers sabi dito to attract and keep customers. Hindi sapat na may magandang product ka. Kailangan alam din ng tao na kailangan nila 'yon. So next is strategic marketing aligns for peace and promotion for peace with market needs. No? So the four P's should all fit perfectly with what the market needs. In short, marketing connects our technical solutions to real people, and that's how we make our ideas work in the real world. Okay, thank you. And that's it, no? Thank you so much for listening. We hope na kahit papaano mas naging clear sa inyo yung importance ng marketing. Goodbye.